Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a 2001 Grass Ecopress P. It was used just a handful of times, and the customer we got this from then just really stopped doing doors in-house and farmed everything out. So as you can see, this one is extremely clean. It does have a 9-foot back fence made of 3 sections. No air leaks, no issues. It's a single phase machine. It's currently on right now. This is for your clamps. And basically all you do is hit this button for operation. Real simple to use. Like I said, this one is in exceptional condition. I would probably rank it probably about an 8.5 or 9 out of 10. Really can't get much more clean, especially for its age. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.